In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the this function in Excel, which is basically gives you the discount rate of a security that is assumed to be sold at maturity. So the this function has 5 different arguments. The first one is the settlement, which is the day that the security is traded on. The second one is the maturity, which is the day that the security matures on. PR, which is the price, the price that it's trading at. And then the redemption. So the redemption is just basically the face value of the bond, which we're going to use 100 example. And the basis hopes to give more flexibility as to kind of the dates surrounding the calculation. It is optional. So to use this function, so equals DISC, open parentheses, the settlement day, which is just basically the day that the day is trading, the bond is traded on, 5/20/2022, comma, maturity. So we're just kind of assuming that this security matures on the last day of the year. PR, we're assuming that this bond is trading at a price of 97.81 with a redemption face value assumed to be maturing at 100 at the end of the year. And the last argument is basis, which is optional, which this function will still work if you don't use it. Which you can tell by how it is in brackets. But as you can see, you can have 30/60, actual over actual, actual over 360, actual over 365, or European. In this instance, we're just going to use the 0. And we're going to close parentheses. As you can see, with these given parameters, you see that the discount rate is 2.57%. This is very useful too, because you can say how the discount rate will change as you change your parameters. So just say you change the basis to be actual over actual instead, 3.55%, or actual over 360, 3.50%, actual over 365, 3.55%, or European, 3.58%, and back to 0, 30/360 US. So you can just kind of see how changing some of the parameters changes the discount rate that you calculate. So that's it. I hope you found this tutorial to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.